If you want to free up some storage on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on iPhone Storage. Now at the top of the screen you will be able to check the type of data which is consuming the most storage. Now to free up some storage on your iPhone, first of all you will find the section of Recommendations. Now in the Recommendations section, your iPhone will give you some recommendations to save some storage or to optimize the storage use of your iPhone. For an example, if you're not using an app for a while on your iPhone will give you the choice to offload the app. Now if you tap on Enable, your iPhone will automatically offload the app which you have not been using for a while. Now if you want to use the app again, you can download the app from the App Store, or you can go to the app library and you can search the app which you have offloaded. For an example, if you have offloaded the Google app, just tap on it and your iPhone will automatically download the offloaded app. And by offloading an app, its data will not be lost. The app's data will be saved in your iPhone storage. And also you might find other recommendations, like if you're saving all your photos and videos on your iPhone, it will give you the recommendation to upload your photos and videos to the iCloud. And you can save a smaller size version of the photos and videos on your iPhone to free up some storage. Now, this was the first method. For the second method, just scroll down. Now, under this app list, just select the app from which you want to delete some data. For an example, I will select the Messages app. Now, if you have sent lots of photos and videos through the Messages app, the data which you have sent will be saved in your Messages app, and those data will consume the storage of your iPhone. Now you have the option to delete them from the Messages app. For example, I will tap on Photos, and after you do that, you will find all the photos which you have shared through the Messages app. Then tap on Edit and select the photos which you want to delete. Then tap on the bin icon, and by doing that, you will delete all the selected photos or videos from the Messages app. Now the third method is that you can delete a specific app on your iPhone to free up some storage. For an example, I will select this app. Now, the first option you have is to offload the selected app. Just tap on Offload, and as I said earlier, by offloading an app, the app will be deleted from your iPhone, but its data will be saved on your iPhone, and you will be able to install it again if you want to use it. Just go to the app library. Now just look for the app which you have offloaded earlier. Like as you can see, this is the app which we have offloaded. Now if I tap on it, the app will start downloading again on our iPhone. And once the download process is completed, you will be able to use the app. Now this was the first method, but if you want to save more storage, you will be able to delete the app. Now for example, I will select another app. For example, I will select this one. Now just tap on Delete, then select Delete. And by doing that, you will completely delete the selected app from your iPhone. Now for the next method, just go to your home screen and open the Photos app. Now if you're on the Library section, just tap on Collections, and under Collections, just look for the option of Utilities, and under Utilities, you will have the option of Duplicates. Just tap on it, and from here you will find all the duplicated photos on your iPhone. Now to merge the photos, just tap on Merge, but if you have a lot of duplicated photos, just tap on Select All, then tap on Merge. Select Merge Exact Copies, and after you do that, then tap on Merge. Now once you do that, you will be able to merge the photos on your iPhone. Now if some photos are not merged, just tap on Merge and select Merge. And by doing that, you will merge all the duplicated photos from the duplicated section. And this is how you can free up storage on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.